This morning, a former Franklin County Sheriff's deputy charged with murder appeared in federal court. Right now, you are getting a look at video you will only see on NBC4 showing Jason Meade making his way into the courthouse. And we thank you for joining us on NBC4 Midday. I'm Brad Johansson. This morning, Jason Meade walking into the federal courtroom. Former Franklin County Sheriff's deputy charged with the murder of Casey Goodson Jr. That shooting grabbed the attention and the outrage of the community, coming just weeks before Christmas. NBC4's Alan Henry has been in the courtroom all morning long. Alan, what can you tell us?
Well, Brad, the issue here is whether Jason Meade was acting in his capacity as a deputy marshal or as a sheriff's deputy when he pursued and fatally shot Casey Goodson Jr. Now, the first 90 minutes of testimony this morning came from Officer Ryan Rosser, who served as a fellow member of that SoFast task force along with Meade. The defense called Rosser to basically testify as to what the typical day-to-day functions of the task force are, who gives them their equipment, what the chain of command is, etc. Now, Rosser testified to what we've already reported. The task force had finished trying to serve a warrant to someone else when Meade allegedly saw Casey Goodson with a gun in his car. On cross-examination, however, Rosser testified that had Goodson been arrested and not killed, that charge would have been filed under Meade's authority as a deputy and not through SoFast. Now, Rosser also testified to the moments leading up to the shooting, but not yet as to what happened during that shooting itself. That hearing is still in progress right now. NBC4's Jamie Ostroff is inside that hearing right now, and we'll continue to provide updates both on air and online throughout the day. Local for you at Federal Courthouse, Alan Henry, NBC4.
Alan, thank you. This incident in question happened more than a year ago. Let's go back and look from the beginning to where we are right now. The shooting happened back in early of December 2020. Jason Meade coming off an assignment with the U.S. Marshals Fugitive Task Force, as Alan said. Following the deadly shooting of Casey Goodson Jr., the Franklin County Sheriff's Department placed Meade on leave. In July, he retired on disability retirement. Fast forward to December 2nd, nearly a year after the deadly shooting, Meade was indicted on 2 counts of murder and 1 count of reckless homicide. Same day, Goodson's family filed a lawsuit against Franklin County and Meade. 1 day later, Meade made his first appearance in court, pleading not guilty on all charges. A lot of things happening with this case, obviously. So for the very latest, everything that happened from then until now, you keep watching on air, and you can also head to NBC4i.com.